Yeah. Is Tamil is fine or English is fine?
Anything is okay, sir.
Anything is fine. That's great. Okay, fine. We shall start. I observed that here the departments who are in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity teams, and whereas another team, other department, who is it? Maybe. May I know, please?
Shivas, Santosh, Sanjay.
Yeah, guys, could you please respond me? Yeah, okay. Only artificial intelligence, cybersecurity experts, future experts, right? Hey guys, just be interactive. Yeah, that's great. Dharan, Ramani Dharan. Okay, fine. Now we shall start with our session. What we are into. Shall I present my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my screen is
You
visible
are
now.
unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Santosh. Hey guys, am I audible now? Am I clear? Previously, I was getting multiple
Yes, sir.
noises
Yes, sir.
in between, so I was not clear with it. I think this session has to be very interactive because this is my first and wonderful classes, and which I am into this lecture. I think it has to be very interactive and happy journey for the today's class. Okay. Hey guys, any response, please? Any topper students here who are any toppers? Santosh, any toppers, please? Could you please tell me? Any one or two people? Javaga Gandhi and Praveen. Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. And now we are into the topic. I think it was too late and we are going out of time. That's great, Gandhi, and congratulations for your future. Okay, fine. I just request you to just observe a basic understanding of electronic devices. Could you please tell me what is electronic devices and why it is used in the current technology? Can anyone explain it? I don't want to be a very bored session like a lecture. I think it might be a very funny session. Hey guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Can you please tell me what is it? What is electronic device? Why we are using in the latest technology?
Because it is helpful for our works. For example, mobile, laptop, and everything are electronic devices, sir, which is helps us very useful, sir. for work.
Yeah.
If we learn a new subject means we can search in Google, or new things means YouTube. Many things are there, sir. So we are
Okay.
using these kind of devices for educational purpose or work purpose, sir.
Yeah, it was really great, Mr. Raghudarshan.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
And then any other response, please? I don't want to mention you people like these are the names. You people just respond. People, you just come as a volunteer. Yeah, Nishant. Just tell me. You were raising your hands for multiple times. And Tamil Selvan. Yeah, Deepika, please tell me. I mean, you can just tell me. Saran. Saran, am I audible? Hey guys, I think by asking you people, I think your professor is really great. I was requesting you for multiple times, but no response I'm getting. You were just sitting as very idle. I request you people just, I'm even myself as a human being, I'm just a engineer. I was, okay? But I was working in an industry. And myself is also a student, okay? You don't worry about anything. If it is wrong or right, okay? Just respond whatever you know. It's nothing but as correct or wrong. Okay. How bold if Raghudarshan could be answered? I just asked why electronic devices used and what are the components which you know. You could just tell me, right? Ramani
Sir,
Dharan.
can I give another example, sir?
Yeah, yes, Raghudarshan. You could just give me.
Sir, nowadays AI is developing, sir.
Yeah,
Absolutely, AI is developing. So
I'm not getting you.
AI is used for programming or manufacturing new things, sir. Of course,
Yeah,
it can build a house. Like I'm example, I'm saying it can build a
yeah,
house, mobiles, or anything, sir. What we are asking, it will make it for us, sir.
yeah,
So if we ask very good purpose, it will make it very easily, sir. Of
yeah,
course, if we are misusing that, it will dangerous. It make dangerous things to our lives, sir. So we want to
yeah.
use it properly. So we want to convert the AI technology into safe methods, sir. That is the next generation processor. I am thinking so, sir. Because nowadays AI is using for many purposes, sir, in working area and study area and houses. You may know that Alexa and also these things are very useful, sir. Like that, we want to develop another thing, sir.
Very nice, Raghudarshan. It was, I'm really applause to you. It's a
Thank you.
great one. I think around 60 people's, right? Around 60 people only Raghudarshan has a engineering graduate which he could able to respond for every questions, right? I think I didn't get any response from the girls. The Varungalam singer Pengal. I was just expecting any people, any girls response. Mikisha, you could please respond what you observed from electronic devices and why it is used. Could you please tell me?
Sir, electronic devices are used so that to make everything that we do easier, a lot easier. For
Okay.
example, if you are taking, for example, just a little switch. So before and all, there is no light and all, like no electricity. But nowadays, we have electricity. So by just on and offing a switch, there's a lot of benefit for us. Like we can easily use the light whenever we need, even in the midnight. So these are all like small thing, but that is also an electronic product. So that is also using logic gates and all. So I think these kind of our uses the day-to-day basis is very helpful for us by using electronic devices. So
Yeah, that's great. Nikisha, the thing which I asked is just observe the question initially. Okay, I'm just asking what is electronics and why electronics are used. The thing which you told is fine, but you are into electrical, right?
okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay, fine. The thing what you told is correct, but which is usable for in the recent state, but you are observed with an electrical state. I'm just asking which is your electronics. To be simple, what is electronics? Your mobile is electronics, and your headset what you wear,
yes,
that is electronics, and
yes, sir.
the laptop what which you're using, that is electronics.
I think I
Hope you understood.
misunderstood the question. Ah, yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
I
that's
think I
fine, no
misunderstood.
problem, really appreciable. The if the person who is responding, now you are able to know what is electronics and what is electrical, right? In the
Yes, sir.
next class, if I ask you the same question, you could be able to answer the proper answer, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
That's the spirit, right? The answer is wrong or right. The thing what you're going to express in the bold, that is the matters. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. That's good. I think Ramani Dharan, you can able to tell me, that might be a great one, because you just given a like simply I'm just amazed with that we taught sand particles to carry electric charges and to think like human. Okay, and understanding electronics devices or devices that are created by the manipulation of electron. Wow, such a Google answer, right? Googled. Ramani Dharan, you just speak, that's not an issue, no problems. Ramani Dharan, are you there? Yeah, that's good. Tamil Selvan, every electronics are working with the electricity. Without electricity, nothing can be executed in the current uh, generation. Okay, really great answer. And just okay, fine. We'll just move on to a next one. What are the basic devices you people are aware of it? Could you please explain what are the basic devices you know? Hey
Sir,
guys.
mobile phones,
No, I'm
laptops.
just asking the electronic devices. What are the electronic devices which you're using into, for example, a motherboard? In the motherboard, what are all the electronic components are presented? I'm just asking that. Could anyone able to tell me? Yeah, that's great. Capacitor. Come on, come on, come on, engineers.
Sir, transistor.
Yeah, that's great. Nagul. And much more. I'm expecting much more.
It's a diode.
Yeah, that's great. Priyadarshini.
Sir, we also have resistors and microchips inside it, sir.
Speaking Darshini. Ah, okay. Microchips. Yeah, which is relevant to integrated chips. That's great. SMPS. Yeah, that is a component, but that is used with electrical. That was not used in electronic items. because the SMPS is an conversion thing. Yeah, nothing worry. I think the battery you are showing, Mr. Saran. Battery, that's great. Transformers, yeah. Inductors, and then much more. Nandini Periyaswamy. Yeah, that's great. Charger. I'm just asking not what is electronics and what are all inside the charger, not what is charger. Right? Saran.
Okay, sir.
Motherboard power connector usually called P1 provides power to the motherboard. It has 20 or 24 pins, and one on pin is for on the PS on wire. Tanushri, 80. That's good. I think Tanushri KT is well versed at the microcontrollers, I think. Yeah, Tanushri, could you please answer? Oops, I get very much less response. Also fine. I think many people just switched their teams and they escaped from the location. Right? I think few of them are visible here. Am I right? Akisha and Haripriya Murugan, I was seeing for a long time. There is no any response from your side. Nakul Pranav, Sukant, Sindhuja. I think many girls will be have very interactive in like those sessions, but here I'm seeing it was very different. The boys are getting responded continuously, but no girls are getting responses. Wow, such a different class it is, I think. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just on with the devices. Hey guys, the basic electronic components which we are into is we have multiple variable resistance, resistors and capacitors, the transistors and LDR inductors, and the transformer, the power supply, the multimeter, and the motors, which is used for the electronics, and the switches, relays, and battery and ICs. Whereas the 7-segmental displays and LEDs and diodes. And even though our microphones and buzzers will be included it. Right? These are the basic components. And by using these basic components, we can able to create a high level electronic component. Am I right? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
response? Any response? Sindhuja? Akisha? Any response? Hey guys, don't worry whether the answer is wrong or right. You just interact. These are the sessions which you are not able to observe in your future, because these kinds of session who are able to arrange this, it is a very difficult one. So your professor Santosh Kumar has been arranged for it. It is an really a valuable session. Just try to grab most knowledge from me to you, and even though I can able to grab multiple knowledge from you people, because you people are latest technological engineers. Okay, so I'm expecting more from you people. So you don't want to worry. These sessions are, I'm not your professor, I'm not your, if you people tell any wrong answers, I will just make your internal marks less, likewise, etc., etc. Okay, you can interact and observe as much as knowledge you can able to from my side. Okay, because I suffered a lot during my careers to get this job. This is the thing which I can able to tell you openly. I don't observe any type of classes likewise. Finally, I struggled when I'm into the classes. If I read well and observe the basics well, I can able to clear the interviews within a short period and I can just grab a job with it. So you people has a chances and you people have a multiple and more chances and multiple times also. So try to stay strong with your basic knowledge. As an industry experts, they will expect only the basic strong knowledge from you people, not the higher level. And if you people are into AI and cybersecurity, in the cybersecurity, what you are, that is enough. Means what is cybersecurity and what are all the importance in cybersecurity? By using cybersecurity, what you can do it and what are all the pros and cons. These are the things they are expecting it. And by artificial intelligence, what are all the artificial intelligence basics you are into? Likewise, Python is the major programming language. By Python, we are not expecting that you need to have a great program like you need to create a chatbot or any tools. Likewise, we need it as a basic understanding. If I give a chatbot code, you have to able to understand. So this is a code. This is a code which we are able to generate. And if we made any modification, we can able to change and verify likewise. These are all the inputs I'm expected it. Okay. Only these things are mandatorily required for industry. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. I'm just observing much more response from you all because there are multiple students here. But I'm getting very less. Meenakshi, do you please respond?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Next. Any observations? Yuvraj? Yeah, fine. You can just move to the next slide. Okay, now I don't want to stay this classes. Likewise, yeah, students, tell me what is basic electronic devices. These are all the definition. These are all the importance of content, and these are the types, and there are some active and passive devices. Likewise, these differences I don't want it. I need a interaction session. I want to explore you, and you people need to explore me more than the expected one. Could you please make it? Hey guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Now, what does electronics do?
It's make your life easier.
Next.
It rules the world, sir.
Yeah.
It
I'm not getting
rules
you, please.
the world.
It rules the world.
Of course, sir. If there is no electronic devices, we can't move on, sir. On
Why
the
so?
past, we are moving, but nowadays we can't move because we are searching for easier things, sir.
Yeah, that's correct. And then any other response?
Sir, it has become an essential part of our life, sir.
Yeah, the same point which I observed already. It can able to rule the world. And any other different answers which you observe?
Sir, That
The
the money
basic
they earn has
electronics
replaced.
definition is, sorry, 1 minute. Basic electronic definition is the electronics what you use in your daily life. That is the major part of your electronic definition. Clear? You don't want to explore more than the expected one. That's why I'm telling you the basic need is enough for the levels. We are not expecting that much. You need to be more popular than the basics. Initially, you have to stay strong with your basic knowledge. That is enough. I'm just telling that. The main definition of the electronics is which we are using in the daily life. What are the things we are using? Just anyone can tell me?
Use it to communicate.
Yeah. Please repeat it. You are correct. You are correct.
Used it to communicate.
Yeah. That is communication by using a hardware. Okay. Electronics hardware. The answer which you told is right, but you need to give a proper explanation. Okay. I'm not sure the name of the person. Could you please tell me who it is?
Meenakshi, sir.
Yeah, that's great, Meenakshi. Any other answers?
Sir, I'm giving answers in chat, sir.
The chats, yeah, I think it is. I was able to see in the end of the session in the chat you were giving. Yeah, okay, fine. Remote signals, computers. Okay, fine. Okay. Now I can just give you a short definition which I just displayed here. Whereas the electronics which deals with the electric circuits and the devices and the system that you use in by electrical energy, which is the electrons and neutrons. Only these energies are survived complete with complete electrical circuits, right? Hey guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And what are the
Yes, sir.
importance of, yeah, yeah, please. Hello. Hello. Hello, Shantosh. Santosh. Hello, Shantosh. Hey guys, I was not able to present it. Someone has been cancelled my presentation. Not sure who is it. The organizer. Who's the organizer? Saran.
I will check it, sir.
Yeah, just could you please check it immediately? Because since we are out of time.
Now you can proceed, sir.
No, still it was not enabled. I was not able to share my screen. Only meeting organizations and presenters can share. Likewise, it was displaying it. Yeah, yes, now it was visible. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, fine. Since in the electronic devices, we have different types of electronic devices, whereas the different components, which is known as the passive and active. Hope I think you people are aware of active and passive voices, right? Which is your English grammar. Yeah, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the same which we are having in the electronics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Any response?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The same which we have in the electronics, whereas the active and passive electronics. Since these components could able to provide us a different way of electrical circuits, whereas in the active components we have transistors, diodes, LEDs, and photodiode, integrated circuits, operation amplifiers, and 7-segment displays and battery. Whereas the passive element could have resistors, LDRs, thermostats, and capacitor, inductor, switch, variable resistors, and transformers. I hope you people are aware of those components. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are aware of it, this, right? Can
Yes, sir.
anyone
Yes, sir.
tell what are all those? What is transistor and what does it do? Each one answer. Could you please able to? Hey guys, could you please able to answer it?
The transistors are like semiconductor devices that changes electrical signals into electrical power, sir.
Okay. What transistors are signal?
Like, like, they convert the electronical signal to electrical power.
Transistors will convert electronics to electrical or electrical to
Yeah.
electronics.
Electronics to electrical.
Just see you answer correctly with the Google.
Sir. What, sir?
You just observe your answer just by searching in Google.
Okay, sir.
Have you searched?
I'm searching, sir.
Okay.
Transistor is a device that converted a non-electrical signals into electrical signals, sir.
Non-electrical signals.
Signal
What does
into
mean?
electrical signal.
What does it means? Whether non-electrical or a transistor which could able to amplifies or switch the signals,
Amplifies. So that
which is
they
presented
can
in
convert.
electronics. Yeah.
So that means they can switch both electronic and electrical powers, sir. Like, can they amplify the both, or they can just amplify the electronic
I
signals?
hope you people are aware of ADC. ADC. What is ADC? Do anyone aware of it? If yes, tell me yes. If no, no.
No, sir.
Guys, go. No. Okay, fine. ADC is
No,
nothing
sir.
but it is an analog to digital conversion. Burstings or those short circuit, we are using the transistor and resistors to resist the supply which is into your ICs. This is the main thing which you are using it as a transistor, which could able to amplify the signal into a proper electronic signal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the resistor and what do resistors do? And how you
So
will
it will
and how you will judge this resistor is this much ohm?
So by
so it
using
will
color
resist
code,
the
we
flow
can
of
find it, sir.
Yeah, that's great. What are the colors? Could you please tell me?
black, brown,
No,
yellow,
no,
red,
no.
orange.
No. We would have a name,
Code.
color coding name, since it is an
Sir,
do anyone can tell me? Hello. Do anyone hear about BB Roy?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, of course.
You
Yes,
people observed,
sir,
right?
yes,
Then
sir.
you could just tell me, right? What is it? Could you please tell me?
BB Royal, Great Britain.
Yeah, Great Britain.
Had a very good way.
Gold and silver.
Yeah, BB Roy.
Of
BB Roy of
Great
Great Britain
Britain
had very good.
had a
Of
very good
Great
way.
Britain have very good wow.
Yeah. That's correct. By using these things, we are assessing the resistors value, which is ohm, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll just, yeah, that's correct. We will just move on the next one. Okay. Whereas the basic definition of resistor is it is a two-terminal passive component that can resist the flow of current. Could anyone explain in a practical way of definition what does the resistor do?
It will block the current flowing to it.
Yeah, it will.
Block the current
It
flowing to
prevents
it.
Current.
Okay, that's great. The
overflow
other
of
answer?
current.
Resist
It
Prevent the
prevents
current, block the current,
Yes,
and actually the
Oh.
exact definition is in the word it has mentioned. A resistor could resist the flow of current. The resist means if you give a input voltage of 240, then that could make a conversion automatically, which is known as the Ohm's law. Whereas, do anyone can tell me